Hello everyone, this is Rahul. And if you use a Telegram and you want to create a new channel using a same Telegram account, then I will show you in my mobile screen how to create a Telegram account. So first of all, open your Telegram and here you will see the pencil icon is there. You have to click on this one and here you will see the option as new channel, and here you have to click on create channel and you have to write a channel name, and you can also upload the picture. So for example, I am keeping this, clicking on next. So here you can select as private or public. I think this username is already there. You can also upload your username. So just for a testing, I'm creating this and I will click on next. So if I will go back, you will see the channel is created here. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.